Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this app has been blocked by your system administrator, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here are two cases to it. Case number one, this app computer is managed by a company or an organization. In that case, a server administrator has a right to block all applications or specific applications. So you cannot do anything about it. You'll have to contact the server administrator. Now, if it is a local app, then I'll give you a very simple solution. Search for UAC, user account control. By default, the bar will be at this level. Simply pull it down to the absolute bottom, click on OK and then on OK once again. Or you will have to run it as an administrator, which is not the case right now, otherwise it wouldn't have been blocked by the administrator. Now try running it, it will work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.